So in this video we're going to be reviewing the best productivity apps that are actually useful and can be very helpful on a daily basis. This video is a little biased towards students and iPad owners, but really anyone should have and use those apps. So let's get into the list. TickTick. TickTick is probably the best to-do app right now for many reasons. It is a to-do list app, but it can be used as a habit tracker and a calendar and a Pomodoro timer and so much more. The app is also filled up with so many features. For example, you can organize tasks into folders and in terms of how important they are and how close the deadline is. It also provides very accurate data about how you performed in the last month or week, and it can also be used on any mobile or desktop. Honestly, I can go on and on about this app and I can't recommend it enough. Notion. If you are in the productivity space, you probably heard about Notion. It can be used for so many stuff, but I mainly use it for YouTube, college and some planning, so I highly recommend Notion as well. GoodNotes. GoodNotes is only available on iPad, but with no doubt this app alone is worth buying an iPad. If you are a student, it is basically all your books and notes in one app, and it can also be very useful for all people, well, not just students. But it is worth mentioning that it is paid, but as I said, for £10 it is completely worth it. Calendar. I know this might be obvious, but it is really important that all of us to use calendar on a daily basis. It is really good to book blocks for stuff you have to do and stay organized. I use Apple Calendar, but Google Calendar or any others will do the job. Spark. Spark is an email app that I discovered from Karma Medic, and it is just so good because it makes managing multiple emails very easy. The best feature that I like about this app is the swipe gestures that are built in. You can mark email as read or delete or pin any email so easily. There are so many productivity apps out there and I tried so many, but honestly these are the ones that I keep coming back to and have found the most useful. Let me know if you have any others, and thank you for watching.